Oh my god, people will be staring at me if I'll be keep speaking English with myself. Do you have sweater or not?
Yes, I have filter, but
Are you worshipping that at your home?
no.
Good morning to all of you. So now I'm going to welcome one of you to ask questions. Today, in this cold morning, I'm so curious to discuss something with you so that I could remove and suppress my cold. So, who wants to come? So I think that after many days the girl has come, so I think I must invite her. I hope that she's also very curious to come here and to speak something in English. Let's see whether she has forgotten something or she has still remembered those all things. See, it's none other than Miss Jamuna Nag. Please come here. Oh, one microphone goes to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine, that's great. So have you had your breakfast or not?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have
Had.
had breakfast.
You have had your breakfast. Okay, what if you do not have your breakfast in the morning?
I will get hungry and I feel. Mood ki nahi.
I'll feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy.
Okay. So you must have your breakfast. Without having breakfast, you cannot study as well and you cannot concentrate as well on any work.
Yes.
So by the way, how are you feeling? Means are you feeling cold?
Yes, I am feeling cold.
But you must have worn sweater. Do you have sweater or not?
Yes, I have filter, but
Are you worshipping that at your home?
no,
So
I forgot
to wear.
to wear.
Okay. So nowadays, what are you doing at your home?
Actually, I'm doing housework and some kind of other work as well, like
Sweeping, mopping, cleaning, cooking.
yes, I'm cooking and so
I think at this age you should not cook. Or do your parents force you to cook? Yeah, force. Compel you to cook?
yes, my parents
Force me?
force me to cook because if I know cook, then I can easily cook in my bad situation. And if my mother get fever, then I can cook. That my parents think and they
Tell me to cook.
tell me to cook.
So do you think that at this age you should cook? Okay, how old are you?
13.
13 years old.
Yes.
Okay, so at this age you should play outside, you should study. But why this cooking? Are you learning anything by cooking?
No, I'm not
I'm not
learning anything
from cooking.
from cooking.
Yeah, actually, you are learning very great thing by cooking. For boys, it becomes very hard for some time to cook. They do not know how to cook, and that is why they face a lot of problems when they're alone and when they have to cook by themselves and eat. But cooking, you are helping your parents, you are feeding foods to your parents, so that's excellent. Okay, like our worshipping month was going on, which was Kartik Purnima. So were you coming to temple or not?
No, I'm not.
I am not, or I was.
I was not going temple because my
My uncle, one of my uncles
passed
away.
away. That is why I could not go to temple.
Okay. So why have you come here? Because I do not serve foods here, neither I make you dance here or I teach you anything. Why do you come here? And why have you come here?
I have come here to speak English and to gain knowledge.
To gain knowledge. But I'm not a knowledgeable person, so how I can give you knowledge? Do you want to gain knowledge from me or from other students?
I gain.
I want to gain.
I want to gain from you and from
others as well.
from
Others?
others as well.
Who is the best student of them? Who is the best student?
Priya.
Priya.
Yes.
Why? Because she is a girl, that is why you are thinking that she is the best girl, or what?
No, he study well as well, and he respect to
She.
respect to people, and
When it comes to respect and when it comes to studying, then he also studies well. He is good at art. He is good at playing football. He is good at cooking as well. I think he cooks at his home as well. So why don't you think that he is better than Priya? Yeah, I mean, so what is his name? Santosh. Mr. Santosh Chandan. How cute name this is, Santosh Chandan. So do you speak English well?
of course, I think I speak English well.
Can you speak better than now in future? Or in the same way you will be speaking in future as well?
I think in future I speak better than
Now.
now.
Very nice. So what all are you doing to improve your English?
I try to read English book,
Yeah.
and I talk English
Hmm?
in myself
With myself.
with myself, and
That's great. So you know, whenever means that time when I used to practice English with myself, I used to think like, oh my God, people will be staring at me if I'll be keep speaking English with myself. So don't you feel like that? Because you know we are very shy that time, and initially our English is not that much good. So that time we think like, what if somebody looks at us? What somebody listens to our English? That time that person might laugh at us. So don't you think like this, or you don't care about those things?
I don't
Care.
care about that because
I don't look
I don't look
anywhere.
anywhere.
I keep practicing.
I keep practicing.
Okay, very nice. So do you use any kind of applications to speak with people, or you have your friends? Means you practice with your friends, or you use some kind of applications as well? Because you know nowadays there are so many applications you can use, and you can talk to people. So you are in this tuition, and you can find some students, and you can talk to them, and you can enhance your English. But what about your other times when you are at home? So that time, do you speak with your friends, or you practice on mobile phone?
No, I practice in my book.
Okay, you practice in your book by reading.
Yes.
Okay, that's excellent. So what about your village? Are your village people aware about this English language? Miss,
No, our village people
are not
are not
aware,
aware to
about
English because they don't know about English, what is English, and what English help in our future.
Yeah, that's excellent. Okay, so now as I can see you have become more confident person than your earlier. So you are confident since your birth, or now you have become confident?
Now I have become confident.
Yes. So how did you become so confident? Because you know, no matter how well a person speaks English, how knowledgeable a person is, but that person does not have confidence, and that person sometimes is not confident. But I can see here that you are so much confident. So how did you become so much confident?
Actually, first time I don't listen anything, and I keep speaking, and I think from today onwards I don't scare anything.
Yes.
I speak. I keep speaking
I keep speaking
all the time.
all the time. That's very nice. So guys, if you think about other people, then those people are not going to think of you. So don't think of them, just only keep practicing Keep your shyness inside or in your pocket and don't take that ever out.